Morning guys, welcome to this video. Today we went to Centerparks and actually we just arrived and we are here for 3 days and 2 nights. I will show you around here and all the activities that we do. Okay, so we just saw the center. We didn't walk in the park. Now it is already time to go to our hotel room. So that's what we are going to do first, and then go swimming, and then maybe after dinner tonight we can do a walk here in the park. Finally in bed. It is, I think, 10:30.
Yes.
So we are going to look at the Eurovision for a bit now and then going to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but we will switch to the next day. Good morning guys. We woke up in our beautiful beds here in Centerparks, and today we are going to do a bike tour. I will take you with me, and as you can see we have a beautiful view, so it is really nice to wake up like this. And I'm really impressed by the hotel. I've never slept in a hotel here in Centerparks, but I've did many Centerparkses all around different countries, and I can tell you that the hotel is not less than a like cottage or something. So if you are with two, hotel is definitely okay. We are going to eat breakfast and then enjoy our day here in beautiful Centerparks with beautiful nature all around it. Okay, so we just arrived, and here in Lommel you have this beautiful bridge, and that is called fietsen door de bomen. So in English that means biking through the trees. So it is really nice here, really beautifully made. As you might know, I once was here before with my family and I uploaded that as well. That was a Centerparks vlog with the whole week that we were here, and now we are here again for a weekend, and we decided to do this bridge again because it is so nice. And here in Lommel you also have the Lommelse Sahara. That is the only national park of Belgium, if I am right. So maybe we will do that after the biking as well. But first we are going to enjoy the view here and then get back. chilling here in these beds. You have them everywhere on the beach and they are for free, so you can just come and get one. So we were laying here for I think approximately an hour, just because we know we have all the time this afternoon, and now the sun is getting a bit more like behind the clouds, so we just wanted to relax for a few minutes. And now we are going to head back. First we go to the petting zoo, because yesterday when we did the walk we stopped there but the gate was already closed, so now we were going to go inside and then we will head back to the center to do some mini golfing inside. Maybe tomorrow we will do the outside one as well. And then we will do Discovery Bay, because in most of the center parks, I think in every center parks, you have a center where you have shops and restaurants, and there is a pool as well, and that is included in your stay. But here in the Vossemeeren you also have Discovery Bay, and that is like a place with things to play on and all sorts of like rocks in water and things like that. So it's not really a pool to swim in, but your feet will get wet. So I will show you and take you around here to the park. So we will now first head to the petting zoo. So we just came back from the petting zoo and now it is time to do some mini golf in Pirates teams. So let's see who is the winner. So we just finished and these are the points. So you have 53. Yes. And I have 57.
I'm the winner?
Yes. beautiful hotel room. Bye bye. But we have still a full day in Center Parcs.
Yes.
Hi guys, we just did some archery and it was really nice. We did, I think, a great job. A few times in yellow, but you only did once in 10?
Yes.
But I did not. But now I'm going to get a dress because it is super hot. And then we are going to do mini golf outside because it is, I think, now not too busy. It is beautiful weather, so let's go. Okay, so that was the mini golf, and for the first time in forever, no, for the first time this trip, I won in a game. I have 55 and Dries has 57, so a really close call. And now we are going to bring these things back. I don't know how you call that, sticks and the balls. And then we are going to buy something to drink. And after that we will do the walk here in the park of 3 kilometers. So let's see that. The mini golf outside was really nice.
Swimming!
Yes. Bye bye. Bye bye.